Aloha everyone, we are down here at Malama Flats on the Pahoa coast, and I have never seen it like this. We got a little bit of a storm system on us, and down here, I mean, the waves usually crash out there on the break, but they're coming all the way up over the flats, and down at the entrance, it is absolutely flooded. I had to come in the back way in order to get in here today. And of course, we're here with Jeremiah and some other guests from Australia. Jeremiah is cold, which I don't blame him. It is a little chilly out here. There's wind and the sea spray and all that wonderful stuff. So I'm going to clean the lens on this camera again. But so yeah, so basically I've been down here before and did a little bit of drone work and stuff. Y'all seen it, but I wanted to give y'all an idea of what it looked like today. I'm sure there's lots of wind noise, so you may be having trouble hearing me. I don't know. We'll find out. But yeah, so, and here comes the rain. So that's that. Okay, right, we have here Jeremiah. We're down at the front end of Malama Flats. This area is normally dry. And as you can see today, we have Lake Malama Flats. So normally this is the area that I drive through to get in here. I had to go the back road over this way today because this is what it looks like. I've never seen it like this. Never. And the water comes all the way up. I mean, all the way up. I wish the weather wasn't so bad. I'd love to be able to drone this, but there's no way I can fly. Too wet, too windy. And the waves are huge. Look at that. I can't even get close to it because it's all flooded. Jeremiah keeps telling me I should take my shoes off, but I'm not going to get all wet. And of course, here's the green machine. So yeah, so we even got a little waterfall over here. Let's take you over here and take a quick look-see. You can even hear it. Okay, it's not really a waterfall, more like a rapid. But yeah, this is all ocean water. This is salt water. And it's flowing in and filling up this area over here, which is just one of the directions that it's filling from. So let's walk up this area. And it's just trickling in from all different little places, all going into the same reservoir. Excuse me. But, so yeah, so this is all coming up due to the waves. And I'm also going to logically assume we're at high tide, which is why the water level is so high. I really don't know if it's high tide or not. I didn't look at the tide maps before I came out today, and figure I'd have to. But interesting enough, this water is flowing back towards the ocean. As you can see by the evidence of the ripples right here. So it could be possible that we were at high tide and now the tide is going out, which means this area will drain out. It'll probably take hours for it to happen. But it is absolutely amazing. Oh, isn't this cool? Look at what we got here. This is a little hole, and the water is draining down the hole. And of course, now it looks like it got filled up. But yeah, where it goes, nobody knows. But that was cool. So I'm wondering if the waves have something to do with it. Because it's like when the waves crash, a few seconds later, the hole fills up. And then when the waves don't crash, it drains out. Isn't that just amazing? Can y'all hear that? Wow, natural drain. That is just amazing. I'll have to show my guest. I have some guests with me. We're down here showing them this today. From Australia. Lovely people. This is one of my favorite places. And luckily we still have it. The eruption did not come down this far. Came close, because Mackenzie's to our north, and the lava flow stopped just north of Mackenzie Park. And yeah, so all this water you're seeing is not normally here. Scott from About is going to be absolutely surprised. And there's Jeremiah, being Jeremiah. Strange Hawaii, that's for sure. So don't forget to check out his channel. Oh, looks like the water level dropped enough that it quit draining. But we got more waves coming in, so that should fix that problem. So yeah, just absolutely spectacular. Amazing. My favorite word. Because it is, it's all absolutely amazing. If you have never visited Hawaii and you get a chance, I highly recommend it. Visiting the Big Island. There is so much to see and do here. And every section of the island offers something different. Okay, I guess that's going to wrap this one up. I believe this is going to be a little bit of a short video. I just wanted to show y'all what I was up to today and where we were. And we all ended up with a big surprise. I mean, a big surprise. Because I did not expect this. So, thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up button. Subscribe if you haven't. Check out my merch. Also, don't forget the new website. Subscribe over there. You can find links to all that great stuff in the description below. And you have an amazing morning, afternoon, or evening.